Hello, welcome back, friends. So, are you ready? So start Brainbuster, general knowledge question with answer. Subscribe this channel. All right. So, let's go. Let's play quiz. UNESCO was founded in A. 1945, B. 1947, C. 1948, D. 1949. Answer A. 1945. The Oscars of Science was first awarded in A. 2008, B. 2010, C. 2012, D. 2014. Answer C. 2012. BRICS was founded in A. 1996, B. 1999, C. 2004, D. 2006. Answer D. 2006. A person can recognize a sound in as little as A. 0.05 seconds, B. 0.06 seconds, C. 0.07 seconds, D. 0.08 seconds. Answer a 0.05 seconds. The most common name in the world is A. John, B. Muhammad, C. Abraham, D. David. Answer B. Muhammad. The oldest large-scale film studio in the world is A. Paramount Pictures, B. Babelsberg Film Studio, C. Hengdian World Studio, D. Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer. Answer B. Babelsberg Film Studio. Name of lower house of Russian Federation. A. Supreme Soviet, B. Federation Council, C. State Duma, D. House of Representatives. Answer C. State Duma. Amazon tropical rainforest is also known as A. Boreal, B. Selvas, C. Tundra, D. Conifers. Answer B. Selvas. Which animal is depicted on the logo of WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature? A. Panda, B. Gorilla, C. Lion, D. Snow leopard. Answer a panda. Which of following is youngest country of Europe's? A. Switzerland. B. Belgium. C. Kosovo. D. Sweden. Answer C. Kosovo. The Black Mountains is located in A. France. B. Germany. C. Canada. D. Pakistan. Answer D. Pakistan. Thanks for watching.